Okay, so continuing with our lesson on logical statements, this is going to be for lesson 8 and lesson 9 for SSS, SAS, ASA, and AES. Triangle congruent statements in relation to those lessons. So let's try this first set of problems, set of questions. Forming converses and determining their truth. State whether the given statement is true. Then form its converse and state whether this is necessarily true. A quadrilateral is a polygon, so this is true. An obtuse angle has greater measure than a right angle. This is true. Florida is a state of United States. This is true. If you are my pupil, then I am your teacher. That is also true. An equilateral triangle is a triangle that has all congruent sides. So this is true. Now let's look at their converse. Let's look at their converse statements. A quadrilateral is a polygon. Its converse statement would be a polygon is a quadrilateral. Now, just by saying it, you already know that not all polygons are quadrilaterals, so therefore it's not necessarily true. So it's only sometimes true, but not always. Not necessarily true. Okay, number 2. An obtuse angle has greater measure than a right angle. Okay, a right angle has a greater angle measure than an obtuse angle. Now we know that this is not true. So it's not necessarily true. Okay, for number 3, Florida is a state of United States. United States is a state in Florida. So we know this does not make any logical sense. So not necessarily true. Okay, for the 4th one, if you are my pupil, then okay, not and not. For number 4, if you are my pupil, then I am your teacher. So if I am your teacher, then you are my pupil. And that is logically correct. So that is true. For number 5, or letter E, an equilateral triangle is a triangle that has all congruent sides. A triangle with all congruent sides. Okay, always remember for a converse, the based from its original statement, the conclusion comes first, and then it's followed by the hypothesis. A triangle with all congruent sides is an equilateral triangle, and that is of course true. So this is not necessarily true, not necessarily true, not necessarily true. This is true, and this is true. For our converse statements.